Too powerful. I gotta sneeze, hold on. Whoa. No, I didn't mute. No, I didn't mute. Ah! Thank you for the super chat. You guys are super chatting me just because I sneezed? Is it really that important to you? I don't think it's that important that I sneeze, right? It's not a big deal. It's nothing crazy, you know? People don't care, right? No one cares that I sneezed, right? It's not that important. You know, it's not important enough to at least clip, you know? It's not good enough content to clip it. No, I wouldn't get any views, no. Wouldn't get any views, no, not at all. No.